wants to say hi to you. Say hi. Say hi. No, he don't like me. I'm just Elmira for him. Hi everyone. Today I will not share a tutorial video with you. I just want to talk and thank you because I have 100,000 subscribers right now. It's so hard to tell this for me. But I learn a lot of things with you, and I will learn to tell this too. Maybe not today, but I will learn it. When I start to make my videos, I never think something like that. I never dream this. To having 100,000 subscribers, it's a miracle, really a miracle for me, because I was feel bad about my English. I thought like I couldn't express myself good, but I see this when I try to explain something, you are ready to understand me. I realize it, and when I realized this one, I could find the courage to make new videos. Everything is all about you and me. You give me the courage, and I make the Müşfik. Müşfik, iner misin? Hoppa. You give me the hope and the courage, and I made all of this, and so happy to if I could help you, or if you like my works. We made a lot of blankets for this year, and it's all like that. I want to explain why I don't have the written patterns before I share these tutorials, because I made all of them with you for the first time. And most of my works like that, maybe more than 90% of them, I just find a stitch and like it, and think like I could make a beanie with that or blanket with that, and I start it, and when I start, I just start to make the video too, and when I finish the body, I could just have an idea about the border in the meantime. Like if the stitches have holes, I like to use borders without holes. If the stitch is too complicated, I like to use simple borders, something like that. I just have an idea, and when I finish the body and see all the blanket together, I say I could make it, and I just try it, and if I like it, I keep it. It's all like that, and I really don't have enough time for almost anything. I thought about it last night. I was a real bookworm, and I thought like, did I read any book last year? And I found I read only 4 books, and I read all of them in my summer vacation time. in 15 days, maybe 20 days. I read two Carl Sagan books. One of them is Cosmos and one of them is Contact. And I read Jared Diamond's Guns, Germs and Steel, I think. And I read one of Turkish, I read a book about one of the Turkish theater actress, one of the oldest theater actress books. It's Sirin. I found it on the library. I just want to take it and read it, and it was a nice book. And it's all. My whole life is about my YouTube channels, crocheting something, making videos, and editing these videos, and taking photos. Sometimes I can't even find the time to give answers all your comments. And I'm so sorry about it, really so sorry. For this week I couldn't answer almost all of your comments, because I told it maybe you see my daughter had an important exam, and when something like that happens, it just takes all my free time, and I give the answers to your questions in my free times. So I just have to leave it. So sorry for this, but it's finished right now, and I will read. Actually, I read your comments, but I will read them again and try to answer all of them. And I'm so happy to be here with you. I'm so happy to start to make videos for this channel. I'm so happy to meet you, because I really meet a lot of beautiful people, and that's the most important thing for me. I'm just serious about it, because maybe I share another video with you about myself, if I could find the courage to make this. But I want you to know this. It's so important for me, talking with you, reading your comments, and keep in touch with you. Feel you are there for me, and I am here for you, to help each other. Maybe you think I'm helping you for crocheting, but you are helping me too. Don't forget this. And when we're speaking about these written patterns, I'm sharing my written patterns on my website, sirinscrochet.com. Maybe you know this, but if you haven't take a look at my website, that's just the perfect time for it. I will share my free written patterns in there, and I'm sharing right now too. And my beautiful friend Gigi, you know her, she's my best friend, and she has a channel too. I will share it in the description box. Please look at her channel. She's just a perfect person, so naive and so helpful, so lovable. I really like her very much. I think you will love her too. And she is writing these patterns for us. Thank you, Gigi. I really love you. And before her, Sindhuja and Rachel and Barbara and some of you try to help me, and especially Rachel writes a lot of patterns. I share them in my website to thank both of them. So if I share a video like a blanket, just check my website 3 or 4 days later. I will just put the written pattern there. And I think I just talk so much for a learner. I hope you could understand me again. But I think you can understand this. I really love you so much, and thank you for supporting me all the time from the beginning. I always felt your supporting behind me, and it makes all these miracles happen. Thank you for this. And my kids are around here. Maybe you saw them. I don't know. They're just walking around, but don't want to show their faces. You cannot understand them. You know this. And thanks for watching me. I would like to make videos like that time to time. If you like this video, please don't forget to push the like button, and don't forget to write comments. Hope to see you again. Have a beautiful day.